Not so hot. This is a Climate Craze update of the persistent overheating problem with our seasonal temperature forecasts. These forecasts are produced by the NOAA Climate Prediction Center. Within the NOAA website, they state that these forecasts are created by the NMME suite of forecast models. The NMME stands for the North American Multi-Model Ensemble. This ensemble is a conglomeration of many forecast models. One of the newest models added to the conglomeration is the SPEAR forecast model. SPEAR stands for the Seamless System for Prediction and Earth System Research. Their website goes on to say, SPEAR was developed as a next-generation GFDL modeling system for seasonal to multi-decadal prediction and projection. In February 2021, SPEAR real-time seasonal predictions were made available as part of the NMME system. Now note the reference to the GFDL modeling system. GFDL stands for the Geophysical Fluid Dynamics Laboratory at Princeton University in New Jersey. Well, it turns out that at the GFDL climate modeling offices, Suki Manabe won the 2021 Nobel Prize for Physics. The prize stated, for the physical modeling of Earth's climate, quantifying variability and reliably predicting global warming. That's a very nice award, but the data does not match the narrative. And here's why. The thick red line on this graph depicts the average of 102 climate models. They all forecast temperatures way too high. Reality is way down here. This is the satellite and weather balloon data, the real world. Now look at the worst climate model. It's way up here, a very, very hot forecast, and the farthest away from reality. This is the GFDL climate model and its Nobel Prize-winning architect. Okay, so now we know that the office which created our nation's worst global climate model has influence over our nation's seasonal climate models. And so let's see how the Climate Prediction Center's forecast for August turned out. And here it is. Issued in July of 2022, this is the August temperature forecast. They forecasted above average temperatures for every state, with only a few sparse areas of average temperatures. And now here's the verification map. It shows that most of the states experienced average or below average temperatures. It reflects the same ongoing problem with the global climate models. They are way, way too hot. Want to take a guess at why? It's most likely due to the global warming establishment's false belief that CO2 can control our climate. And they've been making this mistake for over 30 years. And here we see both maps together for comparison. And look at Florida, where the forecast was above average for the entire state, where it actually experienced mostly below average temperatures in Florida. There are many reasons for these cooler temperatures, and they are all caused by a variety of sun-driven heating and cooling cycles, everything from sunspot to Milankovitch cycles. And for the last 7 years, the Earth has been showing a very slow cooling trend, as seen by this graph of satellite data from the University of Alabama at Huntsville. You may want to ask why the media is not showing this data. But in the meantime, there is no climate change emergency, but just a climate education emergency. Until next time, fair winds and clear skies.